Viewers, welcome to Tech Traveler Sub. Today I am going to replace the printer cartridge HP laserjet Pro 404 DN model printer. Uh, let's remove the old cartridge from the printer. This is the old one that I was getting notification that the toner is low. Please replace the toner. This is the new cartridge, uh, Superjet. I think this is a replica, not the original one. See, the supported models are written here. Uh, though it is written that 100% original, but I think it's not the original one. Okay, let's unbox it. Okay, this is the cartridge, well packed here like the original one, and this is for security purpose, preventing from the damage. Okay, this is our cartridge. Okay, you have to remove it, the this one, and other side also there is one, and there is a ribbon also. You have to remove it carefully, don't break it. Okay, this is the chip. It was from the it was the cartridge with the printer. There was a chip, but in the replica printer cartridge there is no chip like this. Okay, you have to remove it and attach it in the new cartridge like this. Okay, this is how it looks like after attaching it. Now let's insert the toner into the printer. Okay, we are going to test it whether it is okay or not. Okay, starting the printer. Okay, let's try to print something. Okay, here it comes. The print quality is also good.